Hi everyone, this is lesson number 2, and we will read some dialogues and repeat words from lesson number 1, and we will see usage of these words. First dialogue, greetings and introductions. First person speaks. 您好, 您好, hello. It's polite version because 您 is a polite. His be answered. 你好, 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 hello, 你好. We can see the difference. 你, nin, 你, nin. What is your surname? 您贵姓? 您贵姓? 贵姓 is the first one. 您贵姓? What is your name? 姓 is a surname. What is your name? 您 what is your name? 贵 it's just polite, for politeness. 您贵姓? My surname is Wang, and you? 我姓Wang. Wang is a surname and also a king in Old Chinese. Old China, but right now it's just a surname. 我姓Wang. 你呢? No, it's like a reverse question. If he asks me, I can reverse and ask him. 你呢? And you. No. 你呢? My surname is Li. Nice to meet you. 我姓李. Li is also a surname. 很高兴认识你. 很高兴. It's I'm very happy. 很高兴 is very happy. I'm very happy. 认识你. 认识 it's like to know you, to meet you, to first time see you and like to speak with you. 很高兴认识你. 认识我认识你呢 I know you. I met you once. 我不认识 I don't know. 很高兴认识你. I'm also very happy to meet you. 我也很高兴认识你. Yeah is like also. Yeah also. 我也很高兴 happy. 认识 meet to know. 认识你. 我也很高兴认识你. And it's first dialogue. Second one, apologizing and responding. We will repeat our words. Especially 对不起 I'm sorry, I'm late. 对不起我迟到了. 对不起 I'm sorry. 对不起我迟到了. 迟到 it's late, to be late. 我迟到了. Late is past or present perfect. Just the action already done. 我迟到了. It's okay, we just started. 没关系我们刚刚开始我们 it's me. 我 it's me, I, but 我们 it's we. 我们 plural. 我们刚刚 it's like just a few seconds. 刚刚 just a few seconds ago. 开始 it's start, to start something. 我们刚刚开始没关系 it's okay, doesn't matter. 没关系. A respond. Thank you for your understanding. 谢谢你的理解。谢谢 it's to thank someone. 谢谢你的理解。Let's continue. Thanks for your understanding. 谢谢你的理解。 理解，谢谢 it means thanks, thank you, thank you 呢，谢谢你，你的理解的 it's a possessive particle，你的理解 it's understanding, but we will skip for now. You're welcome. Come earlier next time. 不客气，不客气。Don't be polite or you're welcome. 不客气。下次早点来哦。下次 it's like next time. 早点 means earlier, just 早 is early. Then it's like hour. 早点来 it's come. 来，下次早点来哦。Or just for emphasizing. 不客气，下次早点来哦。And next dialogue, asking about preferences. Do you like drinking tea? 你们喜欢喝茶吗？你们喜欢喝茶吗？你们 it's you, 你们 plural. 喜欢 it's to like something. For example, I like you. 喜欢喝 it's drink. 喝茶 it's a tea. And ma it's for question. 你们喜欢喝茶吗？You like drink tea. Or do you like drinking tea? 你们喜欢喝茶吗？ I like drinking tea. How about you? 我喜欢喝茶。我 it's I. 我喜欢喝茶。你呢 How about you? 你呢 You What about? Like no, it's a reverse question. 你呢 How about you? I also liking drinking tea. Chinese tea is very good. 我也喜欢喝茶。As you remember, three in a row, it means first and second transfer to second tone. 我也喜欢喝茶。I also like drinking tea. 我也 also 也喜欢喝茶。中国茶很好。中国 it's China, Chinese. 中国 middle country, middle 中国 it's China. 茶很好 is very good. 很好 also second tone, second. Third to second. 很好中国茶很好。Yes, Chinese tea is excellent. 是的 it is it's to be 是的 it's mean yes or sure for real. 是的 I agree. 是的中国茶非常好。非常 it's mean is super like very is very much 非常好 unreal too good excellent perfect for example it's like almost the best right 中国茶非常好非常 it has a lot of translations but for now you can keep this greatly really extremely really 中国茶非常好 is really good excellent 非常好 Next dialogue making plans. Are you free tomorrow? 你们明天有空吗？你们 it's you plural not single. 明天 is tomorrow. 明天 有 it's to have. 空嘛 空 it's a free 空 like 有空 it's have a free time 有空吗 it's a particle for questions 你们明天有空吗 Are you free tomorrow? I'm free. How about you? 我有空 I have a free time 我有空 I'm free. 你呢 How about you? 你呢 I'm also free. Let's go watch a movie together. 我也有空 Also transfer to second tone these two words because this one is third. 我也有空 I also have a free time. Yeah, also. Let's go watch a movie together. 我们 we are 一起 it's together it's a new word 一起 together 去 it's a go 看 it's to watch 看电影 it's a movie or film 电影吧 it's like you can translate like let's go let's do something but to do something like let's 我们一起去看电影吧 let's go watch a movie together. But for now, these words we will teach and learn them later. Great idea. 好主意 it's idea. 好 is a good 好 good 好主意 And last one for today is asking for help. Dialogue number 5. Do you need help? 您需要帮助吗？您需要帮助吗？您 is you, polite. 需要 do you need? Do you really need like 需要帮助 it's a help 帮助吗 it's a question 您需要帮助吗 Do you need help? Yes, I don't know how to get to the train station. 是的 Yes, 是的我不知道怎么去火车站 Let's read again. 我不知道 I don't know. 知道 it's to know something. 不 it's no, not don't. 我不知道怎么 how to 怎么 how to go how to get to go 火车站火 it's a fire 车 it's a car 站 it's a station 火车 it's a train 火车站 it's a station 我不知道怎么去火车站 I don't know how to get to the train station. It's okay, I can help you. 没关系我可以帮你我可以 Also two second tone and this third one 我可以可以 is like can I can 我不可以 I cannot this here is a can 我可以帮 it's to help verb to help 你 it's you 我可以帮你 I can help you. Thank you so much. 太谢谢你了太谢谢你了太 it's mean big, like giant, or just really, really, for example, really, really thank you. 太谢谢你了. Le, it's a grammar with a 太. Just for now we skip it. 太谢谢你了. 谢谢, it's to thank someone. 太谢谢你了. You are welcome. Don't need to be polite. 不客气. 不客气. 客气 it means politeness. 不 it means do not. Don't. 不客气. You are welcome. 不客气. It's all for today. In lesson number 3, we will learn new words, and I hope it will be useful. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see in next video.